I'm honored to be here this morning to be part of your annual general meeting. And I'm also humbled by the kind words of appreciation and the welcome given by the Master of Ceremonies. I'm told that the association was established in 2016, and it is only proper for me to congratulate all of you and the association in your efforts to build a body and identity with a common vision. And the other thing what I've observed is, apart from few, don't take me wrong, I can see in this hall a lot of young, energetic designers. Can we all put our hands together for all the young, energetic? Apart from Jack, his time is gone. But which is very good. We need some young minds, and I'm happy to observe that. And I thought that I will just speak on the mixture of members that you have. This is no doubt contributes to the building our country, Fiji. And all nation building contributions, especially in this fundamental area of buildings for our nations, deserves to be recognized. The foundation of the association is commended in creating and having a body that is, one, to look after its members, creating a platform of empowerment. Two, enhancing capability and capacity of its members to provide quality of services. And have an influence on style and aesthetics in the building and design industry. The underlying principles are significant in the building and construction industry. Building design is not only about a structure at the end of the process. It is also about the form and functions. In short, how a building will look like, how it's going to perform as a building in the context of the purpose for which it is built. Coming from a family environment in the construction industry, I have taken a keen interest in buildings and their designs and functions. My late father was a building contractor. As a minister holding portfolios across local government, housing, environment, infrastructure, and transport, this personal and professional interest also shapes my interest and concerns as a public leader responsible to all Fijians across these areas. For example, in the area of local government, building designs affect space, buildings, a town or a city, and overall, the look or feel of even our country. With design in mind, it is only proper for the association to actually think design rather than just buildings. What designs do we have? What image will it project? Is it iconic? Further to this, I draw your attention to urban design principles and protocols where we shall not only think about a building and where it is standing, but what it will become. Is it a multifunctional, vibrant, colorful, and efficient? Are the space organized? Is it a building or a place designed that will trigger a sense of civic pride and interest from people? Is it not imposing? One that people will say, yes, now that's designing. So we go beyond just drawing and designing building plans, but beyond that. You may say that aesthetics is designed tend to trigger cost. Most of the time I hear that. This is true, but it is also an opportunity for the designers to show his or her initiative in design such that the building, space, or structure is still economical with modern technology that may save energy, water, and promotes green buildings and space. The association has been formed as a body to design. I would also like to ask the association to provide services that are transparent and accountable. As professionals providing a service, you will need to ensure that your service meet required standards and provide adequate protection for both you as a designers and for your clients. This is your duty of care for the industry that will, in the long run, protect you, your business, and that of the clients you serve, and the industry that your association claims to serve and progress further as partners in the wider construction industry in Fiji. I look forward to a progressive discussion in this AGM. I hope to receive some sort of resolutions after your meeting, and my expectation is that this AGM will generate discussions and ideas that will bring about building structures, space with images that are long-lasting, and definitely that creates that image that we all want to be part of a proud country. And just as importantly, that they conduct their business in a responsible and accountable manner. Conduct that is true to their professionals, industry, clients, and to ethical and transparent standards, and that is found elsewhere in the Fijian construction and building industry. Mr. President, with these few words, I again congratulate the Fiji Building Designers Association, and I wish that you have a fruitful and a successful meeting. And with much pleasure, I now declare the first ever Fiji Building Designers Association meeting open. Vinaka, and thank you.